Good morning, first grade, and happy Friday. I hope everybody is having a great day so far. Today is Friday, November 6th, 2020. It is the 47th day of school, so I have added a penny to make 47. Today, your special is Maker, and I'm going to say the riddle now so that I don't forget at the end, like I've been known to do a couple of times. So the riddle is, what has legs but cannot walk? What has legs but cannot walk? And if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll go over the schedule and a few announcements. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, so before we go over the schedule to grown-ups and first grade families and grown-ups, I just wanted to make a couple of really quick announcements. You may or may not have seen on the email this morning with the newsletter for next week, there were 3 announcements, updates, things coming up that I wanted to let you know about. The first thing is parent-teacher conferences will be held that first week of December, on December 1st and December 2nd. And on that email is a link to sign up for a time. So they will be held virtually. So once you sign up on Sign Up Genius for a time, when we get closer to the conference time, I will send you a link via email to join for our parent-teacher conference. So let me know if you have any trouble signing up or if you cannot find an available time that works for you. Just let me know, and I look forward to meeting with you. The other thing is November 13th is the next supply box pickup date. So it will be very similar to the last one, where it will be open or available to come and pick up the supply boxes anytime between 12 and 5 on Friday, November 13th. And if you could please return the Wit and Wisdom texts that we worked on. So Waiting for the Biblioboro, That Book Woman, Green Eggs and Ham, if you could please return those. If you still have the Tomas and the Library Lady book as well, from the first supply box pickup, if you could please return that one as well, that would be great. And then I'll be giving you new texts for Module 2. So then we can kind of, trade, and you won't have all those additional materials to try to keep track of. But if you could please bring those books back when you come for the supply box on November 13th, Friday, between 12 and 5. The other quick announcement, and there's more information about all of these things in the newsletter and the email. Also on Friday, November 13th, we are going to not be having live classes that day, but rather scheduling one-on-one end of trimester assessments with each of the first graders. So on Monday, I will send you an email with your child's time and a link for our individual Google Meet to do that. I'll also send the time and the Google Meet link through Seesaw for your child on the morning of the 13th as well. So while we won't have the live classes, we will send asynchronous lessons, materials on the morning of the 13th that your first grader can work on throughout the day. And we tried to schedule the one-on-one assessments before, during, and after our normal live class times, hoping that it would fit into your normal school day anyway. But just let me know if the time that I have picked for your first grader it doesn't work, and we can find a better time. Okay. And again, it'll just be a short, 10 minutes. I just kind of want to get a kind of quick snapshot assessment of some of the material that we covered this first trimester. Just kind of see how where we stand, and so that would be great if you could help check the time and just let me know if it won't work. All right, and if you have any questions about any of that, just let me know. All right, for our activities today, You will see a Kahoot for subtraction coming out this morning. There will also be the application problem for math for lesson 39. And then the other activity for this morning, if you remember several weeks ago, we did a portrait of Tomas on the sheet of paper that had you made the four square sheet of paper. And I said to tuck that away in a safe place because we would be using that for our end of module final writing. Well, we want to add the next character to that picture. So in the top right corner this morning, if you could please draw Cal at the end of the story. So what Cal looked like at the end of that book woman. And then if you could just tuck that paper away again in a safe place, and we'll finish that up in the next couple of weeks and use that for our final module 1 writing project. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about that. Then we will meet at 10 today for our live class. And if you could please bring your blue Wit and Wisdom workbook to our live class, and then we'll meet again at 1 for math. All right, and I hope you have a great day. Sorry that was a little longer today, a lot of announcements. Just let me know if you have any questions about any of the announcements, the updates, anything upcoming, any of the assignments, anything at all. And I look forward to seeing everybody soon. All right, thanks.